We'll guide you through how to make fisheye effect in DaVinci Resolve. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and creating a new project. Once the project is ready, open it and go directly to the Edit tab, where you'll perform all of the necessary editing steps. Next, import the video you want to edit into the media pool. After the video has been added successfully, drag the clip from the media pool onto the timeline so it is ready for editing. With the clip placed on the timeline, open the Effects panel to access the available editing tools and visual effects. From the Effects panel, locate an adjustment clip and drag it onto a track above your video clip. Using an adjustment clip allows you to apply effects without directly altering the original footage. Once the adjustment clip is positioned correctly, go to the Open FX section in the Effects panel. Search for the DIN effect and apply it to the adjustment clip. After adding the effect, open its settings and change the DIN type option to Type 2. This setting helps create the curved distortion needed for a fisheye appearance. Next, open the Inspector panel and begin adjusting the available controls according to your preferences. Experiment with the distortion amount, size, position, and other parameters until the image displays the fisheye style you want. Take your time during this stage, as small adjustments can significantly change the final look of the effect. After you're satisfied with the DIN effect settings, return to the Open FX section and locate the Transform effect. Apply the Transform effect to the same adjustment clip so you can make further modifications to the image. Once the Transform effect has been added, adjust the image adjustment settings as needed to enhance the fisheye look. When all adjustments are complete, preview the video in the viewer to check how the fisheye effect looks throughout the clip. Export the video using your preferred render settings.